Hey everyone, it's Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a brand new model by Scout. This is the 277 LXF. I'm going to go ahead and start in the back of the boat. This boat is powered by twin 225 Mercuries. It was optioned with the custom paint that matches the outside of the boat. Right back here we do have the swim ladder and the swim platform for easy entry and exit. Right here we do have a door that closes. Also a nice fold out seat which stows away very conveniently if you are back here fishing, walking around the boat trying to land that perfect catch. Right here we do have a ski pylon, perfect for pulling wakeboarders, tubers, skiers, everything like that. This is really a do-it-all type of boat. Coming over here to the side, we do have a dive door right here. This opens up and this opens up, and easy entry and exit right there as well. Down here in the floor we do have two fish boxes, both on the port and starboard side. Right here we also have the tackle station set up. A little bit of storage right here, you can use that as a cooler. Both of these are cutting boards. You do have your cup holders right here, a freshwater wash down, and 4 rod holders. These 2 drawers open up, give you convenient storage as well. Also there is additional storage down here. Now moving up towards the helm, first thing I want to point out is the subwoofer, JL Audio. This was optioned with an upgraded sound system. This leaning post does have the flip-up bolsters, so you can sit down comfortably, or if you want to stand up while you're driving, it's very comfortable as well. The steering wheel is adjustable. You have your switch panel right here within arm's reach, and it was optioned with a Garmin touch unit. Up here at top in the T-top, we do have additional buttons which you can control your spreader lights. There's courtesy lights, everything like that in here. Now moving forward, one of the biggest features of this boat is a huge head compartment. Plenty of room in there for storage and a toilet if you ever need to use that while you're out. We do have the backrest right here. Storage under all these seats, storage down here as well. In the front we do have a windlass anchor as well. You got your 2 foot pedals right here, and it's very convenient to use when you're out in the water. You guys, again, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston showing you the brand new 277 LXF from Scout. Come by and see us soon.